In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a lead magnet with Klaviyo. To get started, open your Klaviyo account and look for the area where you manage sign-up forms. You are going to create a form that will collect email addresses from visitors. So the first thing you need to do is go to Sign Up Forms and then choose Create Form. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct section because the name of the menu can look slightly different depending on your account layout, but it should clearly be related to sign-up forms. Once you click Create Form, Klaviyo will usually give you a few form types to choose from. In this setup, you should choose Pop-up. A pop-up is a common and effective format because it appears at the right moment while someone is browsing, and it can encourage them to subscribe without requiring them to hunt for the form manually. When you select Pop-up, you are telling Klaviyo that you want a pop-up style capture experience. After that, you will be asked to select your list. Your list is the mailing list where new subscribers will be added. Choose the list that matches the lead magnet you are creating. This matters because you want the people who download or request the free resource to receive the right follow-up emails. If you have multiple newsletters or segments, selecting the correct list helps you keep your marketing organized from the start. Next, you should click Save and Design. This step is important because it takes you from the basic form setup into the designer, where you can customize how the pop-up looks and what it says. When you click Save and Design, expect the editor to load, along with options for layout and different form fields. Now that you are in the form editor, click Email Opt-in. This is the section that controls the messaging for the email subscription itself. You want to ensure that the form clearly explains what people are signing up for, and that it aligns with the lead magnet you plan to offer. Click Email Opt-in so you can edit the text and options associated with the email capture. Once you are inside the email opt-in settings, add the text for your lead magnet. For example, you can use something like "Get your free guide." Keep the wording simple and direct, so visitors immediately understand the offer. You are not just collecting an email address, you are offering a specific piece of value, so naming the resource helps improve conversions. Take a brief moment to review the text you just added and make sure it matches what you are actually delivering later. This reduces confusion and helps you build trust with new subscribers. If Klaviyo displays any preview or formatting for your text, look at it to confirm that it reads well in the pop-up. After you confirm that the content looks good, you are ready to move to the final step. Click Publish. Publishing activates the form, so it will be live and ready to display to your visitors based on the pop-up configuration. When you publish, you may see an overview screen showing your form status. This is the moment to verify that the pop-up is indeed set to the correct list and that the email opt-in message is what you want. Once you see that it is live, your lead magnet sign-up flow is in place and visitors can start subscribing through the pop-up. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.